Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing another video. It's going to be a pistol only challenge. No rifles, no submachine guns, and no snipers, no DMRs, stuff like that. So pistol only. I got 120 round in there, 120 round in my holster, the rest 15 rounders. Got a very basic kit, and not even a good helmet. I don't even think it even blocks anything. But we're going to go on secure support on suburbs. So let's get right into the raid. Actually, let's do this. Alright, we're in. Pretty sure I did that transition well. I don't know for sure. We're in suburbs, and the mission is really to go to the warehouse, get the Ultra power plant, and Hydertown. So we're pretty close to Hydertown, so if we get there, amazing. If not, whatever. But pistol only, so hopefully I get pistols and stuff. That is a... don't care. But yeah, this place is bad. In this raid, we're just trying to find loot and complete missions, really. Oh, another full, okay, yeah. Well, sorry, bud, but I'm gonna have to put you in here. Alright, we found some extra ammo, just in case. Normally three mags aren't enough half the time, so let's head to the... oh yeah, there's a boss in mall and a boss in the police station. So I'm just gonna head to Hydertown, then power plant, kind of like power plant, and then warehouse, like kind of like curve. Actually, after this, I'll head here and then go up here. Yep. Actually, let me check real quick if there's any closer extracts. Nope. Oh, actually, is that? I don't know. They seem about the same length. Actually, yeah, I'll go down here and go on the side. I don't know if there's like 100% chance if there's gonna be a boss in there. Alright, well, I reached the Hydertown somehow. Like, you know. I completed it, so what's the point of fighting? Kill him! Just keep moving. Alright, okay, found a slit. Let's go. Okay. Well, the power plant's right here. Right about, maybe, I don't know. So, let's keep going that way. Power plant, rebound off that, keep going straight, go along the beach, and extract. They're still shooting at me. Power plant is actually right here. I think I've been here. Are they? Okay, I guess they hear me. That's probably why. That's the okay, that's the power plant right there. Hopefully we can hit some headshots. I see. There we go. He has a Mosin. Here you go. Now we're on the 15 rounders, so this is gonna get even harder. Oh yeah, pistol only, but oh, this is a weird gun. I'm not even gonna pick that up. Oh. Bag, no keys. Okay, let's just head to this power plant thing. Yeah, it's right here basically. Right there. I don't even think this. I thought it was gonna be, you know, like a Simpsons. Oh, there we go. so let's just rebound off this and head to extract. Oh, that's cool. Alright, scallop there. Just reload some of our... Okay, sorry, 15 rounder. Okay, let's... The fuck? Okay. Oh, there we go. Let's unload this, and then put it in here. Okay, it's nearly full, but still. There we go. Oh, actually, supply trucks are right there, so... Let's head against over there. Let's go against this little area. Alright, if we just keep heading straight, in 500 meters, we'll be able to extract. Here it is, extract. We completed multiple parts of our mission. Alright, let's move. We're out. Right, full, empty, full, half full. Okay. Good raid. Very good raid. Alright, we're back again. We got a little bit of our quest done. We didn't get a quest done, but we did, you know, stuff like that. Ooh, what's this? Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, that's easy. Boulder Force, Trust Point, I go ahead and have level 2. Oh, wait, 3 scavengers, and I don't know what that helmet is, but that looks very cool. That actually looks very cool. My hand is very weird. But I think tomorrow, I can finally get whatever that assault rifle is, and that, okay, get a 60 round. I don't know what these are. Oh, wait, 4 scavengers, 5. Shot from dam area 1 time. I got a lot of money. Shot from a resort area 2 times. Ooh, advance and mission complete voucher. Okay, that's actually really nice. Okay, so we just gotta eliminate some scavengers. Alright, we're gonna go to, I think, dam this time. And yeah, we're just trying to get raids done, kill scavengers. And I'm gonna go ahead and reload all of our mags, heal up. Well, actually, we didn't even get shot once, and give all of our food and water back, and we're gonna go back into dam. Alright, we're in. Oh, this is a very good. Oh, well, not really. Oh, shit. Okay. We're gonna head left, extract. Easy. We're gonna loot up here, maybe find stuff. I have no clue what that is. Well, I guess I pinned it. But I think that's a boss. And I think there's also a boss right there. But I love map dam just because how, like, I got used to it so fast. So this is my favorite map so far. Alright, oh shit. I think somebody's over here. Wait, I need to head back over here. Alright, yeah, there's definitely gunshots over there on my left, so I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a quick reset. Reset, boys. Alright, I think he's shooting at me. let's keep heading straight into that road. Alright, I don't think scav players should spawn yet. So yeah. Alright, let's keep heading against the trees. I feel very open right now for PMCs. Yeah, I feel like somebody's watching me right now. Okay. Let's keep moving fast. I see him. Alright, let's keep running. Seems to be very kitted. I got a 9mm FMJ versus like a kitted out player. So, not right now. Not my time. I know there's scavs right here. Yep.
Turn back, you fool.
Knew it. Okay. Let's get to extract now. That kitted player over there is probably gonna... Yeah. Okay, I got a little time because it does take them like a little bit to get all the way over here. Green peas, that's very good. Thought that was a player for a sec. Rope, I guess I'll take it. Alright, let's extract. Alright, we're back in the bunker. I don't think... Wait, did we even do anything? Oh yeah, we were supposed to eliminate scavs, but we didn't do anything. But still, I love this merchant commissions because you can get easily a bunch of good gear by doing this. Like, very nice. You get a bunch of guns and gear. Like, it's very good. I like these. I think it unlocks every day when you log in. Yep. And this is gonna be the end of the video. I love doing this little pistol challenge. You gotta like play smart instead of just rushing with like AK or a DMR. So we got some green peas out. Put that right. Do I even have a place for food right now? Alright, I just place it on here for now. I think normally I just get it normally, or like I just hide it in my bags. Okay, this is my bag collection right now. So yep, thank you for watching the video. Pistol only challenge. And yeah, thank you for subscribing. Yeah. Alright, just like. Wait, is this a beer? Wait, okay, I just gotta see if this. Can I turn this in? To this guy? Oh, I gotta get 2 beers. Okay. But still, hey. 1 is 1. 1 is 1. So, that's great. So, and secure support, if I get this done next video, reach warehouse in suburban area, I'll get a secure container. So, that's very nice. Very good. And yeah, see you next time. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.